Hey everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to chatbot Python. In the past few years, chatbots in Python have become wildly popular in the technology. These intelligent bots are so adept at imitating natural human languages and conversing with humans that companies across various industrial sectors are adopting them. Today, we have smart AI-powered chatbots that use natural language processing to understand human commands and learn from experience. Chatbots have become a staple customer interaction tool for companies and brands that have an active online presence. So first, you can install the Chatterbot, then upgrade it, then import classes, and then you can train the chatbot. You can do it by specifying the list of strings that can be later used to train your Python chatbot and find the best match for each query. Here's an example of responses you can train your chatbot using Python. And that's all. Thank you for watching. See you again.